All right, let's be real. Your For You page is probably a mess of crypto memes, right? One second it's buy BTC, the next it's some frog-themed coin promising to make you a millionaire by next Tuesday. It's chaotic, and it leaves you with one burning question. Okay, but what should I actually put my money on? Because buying a coin just because some guy with an anime profile pic told you to, that's not investing. That's basically putting your money on red at the casino. We're not about that. Today, we're cutting through the noise and taking a tour of the Crypto Hall of Fame. We're talking the OGs, the blue chips, the projects with real, undeniable value. This is about building a solid foundation for your portfolio, not chasing a meme. Let's meet the giants. The king, Bitcoin, BTC. First up, the one that started it all, the king, Bitcoin. Forget trying to use it to buy a pizza. Think of Bitcoin instead as digital gold. Its superpower isn't what it does, but what it is. The vibe, it's a decentralized store of value. The code itself says there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Full stop. In a world where banks can just print more money whenever they want, that built-in scarcity is a superpower. It's your armor against inflation. The tech, it's not fancy. It's simple, secure, and incredibly robust. It does one job, moving value securely, and it does it better than anyone else. It's the bedrock everything else is built on. Who it's for? The part of you that wants to play it safe. It's the anchor of your portfolio, the long-term, just going to chill and appreciate investment. So when you buy Bitcoin, you're not betting on some flashy app. You're betting on a powerful idea that in the digital age, scarcity itself has immense value. The world computer, Ethereum, ETH. Now, if Bitcoin is digital gold, then Ethereum is, well, the entire digital economy. Ethereum isn't just money. It's a programmable blockchain. Imagine a giant global computer that no single company or government owns, but that anyone in the world can use and build on. That's Ethereum. The vibe, it's the foundation for Web3. All that stuff you hear about, DeFi, NFTs, metaverses, apps that run themselves, it's mostly happening on Ethereum. It's where the innovation is. The tech, instead of just sending cash, you can write smart contracts, basically lines of code that automatically execute agreements. Want to loan out your crypto and earn interest? A smart contract handles it. Buying an NFT? A smart contract makes the trade. The fuel for running these operations is called gas, and you pay for it in ETH. So when you buy Ethereum, you're buying a piece of the internet's next chapter. You're betting on utility. The supporting cast, blue chip alts. Cool, so BTC and ETH should be the core, the big chunk, for like 70–80% of a beginner's portfolio. But what about the rest? Let's quickly shout out a few other heavy hitters. SOL, Solana, the speed demon. It's built to be a faster, cheaper Ethereum. It's the ambitious rival. High risk, but could be a huge reward if it keeps winning people over. BNB, Binance Coin, the corporate play. It powers the Binance Exchange, the biggest crypto marketplace on the planet. Its value is tied to that whole ecosystem. It's a bet on a crypto giant thriving. Stablecoins, USDC, USDT, these are your crypto parking spots. 1 USDC equals 1 USD. They don't go up, they don't go down. You hold them when you're not invested, or you use them to trade into other coins. Pro move, you park cash in stablecoins to buy the dip when the market has a bad day. How do you think about your first investments? So how do you actually decide? Ask yourself this. What's my goal? Preserving wealth like digital gold, like BTC, or betting on the growth of a new internet? What's my risk tolerance? BTC is the steady-ish rock. ETH has more growth potential, but more volatility. Sol and others are even more of a roller coaster. Do you actually believe in this? Does the idea of digital gold resonate with you, or are you more hyped about a decentralized world of apps? Your first moves in crypto shouldn't be a mystery. They should be a choice. Start with the giants. Get comfortable. Then you can start thinking about exploring the wilder side of crypto. Look, we're building a portfolio here, not collecting lottery tickets. BTC and ETH are your foundation. But just knowing what to buy is only half the battle. How you buy is everything. In our next video, we're breaking down DCA, the boring but genius strategy that actually works. It's the secret to investing without trying to time the market or losing your mind watching charts all day. If this was helpful, seriously hit that like button and subscribe. It actually helps more than you think. All of the links to join the conversation are in the description. All right, I'll see you in the next one.
Disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult a licensed professional before making any investment decisions.